7 Sigma. Off-grid.
You got stuff in the back of your car?
Do you want to sit in the back of the car?
My back hurt. Cool. Boom. Ouch. Yeah. Why are you laughing?
He want to sit in the back of the car because his back hurt.
Yeah, I'm old.
And he old. Okay. So first of all, I want to ask everyone to help me wish Rara a happy belated birthday. Woo! Happy belated birthday.
That was last week.
It was last week. You guys didn't know about it. So help me wish my husband a happy belated birthday and open your present.
Look what she got me, y'all. This is my birthday present. It fits me perfectly.
It fits him perfectly.
You know what it says? It says, fuck off! Fuck off!
It fits him perfectly.
Yes, it does. Thank you, thank you.
Mwah. 'Cause he don't really like people, so.
I like y'all.
Yeah, he like y'all.
Y'all cool. Y'all my new family.
Yeah.
Y'all be helping us out because I don't know what I'm doing and y'all be giving me good advice.
Yeah, you guys do give
really
us good
appreciate
advice, and we do appreciate it.
You're an online family.
Because
You guys are an exception. I like all of you guys.
sometimes we struggle.
Always struggling.
And speaking about family, okay, so first of all, we weren't going to say anything about this, but we've reached 10,000 subscribers! Yay!
What the hell is wrong with you?
So that's great that we reached 10,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you for all of the new subscribers and all of the old subscribers, because the old subscribers are the ones who give us all the good advice and all the good stuff. And we really, really, really appreciate all the good stuff. And we appreciate you guys following us. We just really thank you guys for all the love. And so we want to actually call you out by name, those who we consider our YouTube family.
You're going to read it. Oops. Where'd it
Yeah.
go?
Where did it go?
For shame.
We have a long list, so just hang in. You're going to hear your name. Some
Probably
of
tired
you,
of it, but we don't care because we appreciate you.
We
So you
appreciate
have to suck it up
Yeah.
and deal with it. We don't
But-
keep thanking you even though you're tired of it.
we're going to keep thanking you. But some people, we haven't called your name before, and we want to say thank you to you as well, because
The new folks.
you're fairly new, and then we have some new people as well.
They got back problems.
I see you got back problems. You want to just go ahead and lay down?
I'm just going to
Okay, so while
take care. I'm
he's
about to take a
chilling, I'm going to do my domestic duties.
Domestic duties. Misogyny.
Say thank you to Billy Blaze.
Mr. Billy Blaze.
Thank you.
My man.
Yay, I'm going to give you snaps.
My brother from another mother.
And-
Never met you before. Still my brother.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, man.
But if the world comes to an end, Billy, and we're in a zombie apocalypse, we're coming to find you first.
That's right. We need to link up. We're going to be in the trenches together, shooting it out, my brother.
And some other people we're going to come find as well. Cliff at Paiute Life, we're coming to
Cliff.
find you as
Yes,
well.
sir.
Well,
Right
we
down
already
the
know
street.
where you live, so.
Appreciate you, Cliff. Really
Thank
do,
you,
man.
Cliff.
Thank you for everything.
Actually, thank you to Cliff, Lorene,
Yep.
and his sweet
And his wonderful
daughters.
daughters, yep.
His whole family. We just want to say thank you guys.
Good people.
And our subscribers really enjoy you as well, because you guys have a plethora of information. So we just want to say thank you.
We're going to do some more collabs with Cliff, so you guys will be seeing them again. So,
Yeah, you'll be seeing them again. Thank you to Roberto Santini.
my other brother from another mother.
He has a lot of brothers from another mother.
Mr. Santini, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Roberto. And Bob
Bob
Monstier,
the solar guru.
the solo guru for
MacGyver.
real. Stephanie James.
Our fellow Californian
Thanks, Stephanie. Cheryl Rich.
Christian Grounds.
Yahudian.
My brother. Appreciate you, man. He's got the best comments in the world. You guys should come watch our videos and go look for his comments. His comments are hilarious.
He is very funny. And Robert Bush.
Yep, Robert Bush, my new brother from another mother. Appreciate you, man.
Thank you, Robert.
Homestead
Homestead or
or
bust. Whoop, whoop.
I got nothing to say. Those
Thank
are
you.
the water gurus.
And Garden.
My new family.
Yeah.
My brother and sister from another mother. Really appreciate you guys. Go check out their channel. They have a lot of good information, so please go check them out. He's the water guru.
Yeah, go check out Homestead or Bust. Arizona Off-Grid.
AOG.
AOG. Thank you, Arizona Off-Grid. Go check them out as well. Judith Judah. Thank you so much, Judith, for always commenting. Dolores Bradner, thank you so much. If I mess up you guys' name, I apologize. Charge it to my head, not my heart. Y. Malley, thank you. We always see you on Saturdays as well, so thank you. Betty Small Space.
Gwendolyn Luckett.
Edie.
She's a sweetheart.
She is a sweetheart. Thank you,
Always
Edie.
supportive. Thank you very much, Edie. We really appreciate you.
We have Black Diamond 306.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Felicia Richardson.
Felicia Richardson, of course.
Yep. Ethan Rogers from Signature
Signature
Solar.
Solar.
Insert commercial, not today.
Not today. But thank you, Ethan.
Thanks, Ethan. Pen pal, 555. Get well, get better.
Yeah.
Feel better. Take care of yourself.
You love and good vibration.
Yep.
Big Rob 8966.
New subscriber. Appreciate you, sir.
Deuce Aid 6868.
Another big shout out to him. New viewer. Really appreciate you. You've been giving me some great farm tips. Appreciate you, man.
Thanks, Deuce Aid. Living the Torah life. We always see you. Mm-hmm. We just want to say thank you as well. Shirley Anderson. Thank you so much, Shirley.
Jahu and his wife, Journey to Homemade.
Homestead.
No, it's Journey to Homemade.
Journey to Homemade.
Not Homestead. Jahu and his family. Thanks a lot for supporting little bro. Appreciate you.
Jackie King. Thank you so much. We always see you in our comments as well.
Ayo to the Vego Farms. South Illinois. We put the in there. So it's just AOVO. But we appreciate you.
Thank you. Brenda Moncrief. She's a new subscriber, I believe. Doris Harrison. Thank you, Doris Harrison. Charles Williams.
New subscriber. Funny guy.
Thank you so much.
We like to play music back and forth in the comments. We have inside jokes. Nobody knows what we're talking about, but we know what we're talking about.
All right.
We're talking about music lyrics.
Darian Scott. Great Scott. So every time I see your name, I always think of Back to the Future. We have End of the Woods.
End of the Woods. Haven't seen you in a while, but we know you're still around. Appreciate you, sir.
Thank you so much. LJ,
come on. Been around old school.
Old school.
That's old school family. Appreciate you supporting us for all this time.
Thank you, LJ.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Ooh, and I just want to give this person a shout out because she is a brand new subscriber. She literally binged watched all of our videos
commented on
from the beginning to up now and commented on every single video. So we just want to give a big shout out to AM Pool. Thank you so much.
Our new spirit mother.
Yeah.
We appreciate you, spirit mom.
Thank you
taking
so
the time,
much.
giving us great advice.
And
just taking the time to watch all of our foolishness.
Yeah, a lot of foolishness.
Appreciate it.
If we did not call your name, again, charge it to our heads, not our hearts. But we just want to say thank you so much to all of our old subscribers. And thank you to all the new subscribers. And just thank you to everyone who helped us get to 10,000 subscribers. I mean, that's a milestone for us. So thank you so much.
It's amazing that 10,000 people even want to watch
us. I know, because
all of our goofiness.
Yeah, we have a lot of goofiness going on, and we don't know what we're doing. And, you know, we're a little bit different than a lot of homestead channels because we just don't know what we're doing.
We're an acquired taste. We're an acquired taste.
Yeah, we are an acquired taste. And you guys learn from us and our mistakes instead of, well, we know some things.
Yeah, we learned a lot.
Yeah, we learned a lot.
But we appreciate you guys, the ones who do enjoy our acquired taste.
Yeah.
Because we are different.
We are
from
different.
most channels. And if you can stomach this stuff, we really appreciate it.
Yeah, we're a little weird. And we joke around a lot.
All the time.
So for new subscribers,
if it doesn't fit you, keep it pushing. Sorry. But we're not changing. This is what we do.
I have to say this. For new subscribers who think that, you know, my husband's mean or I'm not working or I'm mean or whatever, we joke around all the time.
We've been together 20 years. This is what we do.
Yes.
There is no disrespect.
Yes.
So you can go on with that stuff and go find some other channels and, you know, peace out. We're going to keep doing what we've been doing. We've been doing it for 20 years. We're going to do it for 20 more years. So,
okay, that's my husband. Fuck off!
Yeah, fuck off! Oh, yeah, who got problems? How we roll.
Oh, God.
This is for you. Fuck off!
I'm not going to say that. I'm going to say.
The shirt says it. I didn't say it. I'm just saying what the shirt says.
Oh, that's what the shirt says? Okay.
I'm not cursing.
Okay.
What does that say?
Yeah.
Roosters say it all the time. Fuck off!
Okay. So
there you go.
I'm going to say thank you guys so much for stomaching us and all of our craziness. And we really appreciate you so much for helping us get to 10,000. And anything else you want to say? No. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. And we will see you next time. Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.